Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the My Tier Stand collaboration hosted by BEA DIY'S. I'll link her channel down below in the description box along with a playlist link for all of the other participants. BEA DIY'S has requested all of the participants to utilize a tier stand tray, any style, any type. There was no dollar limit to this collaboration, so this is what I've come up with. This 2-tier chicken wire basket stand that you see was purchased probably last year around Christmas time at my local Sam's Club on clearance. I initially planned to use it in my guest bathroom, but discovered that it was too large for the space. It was such a good buy that I decided not to return it, thinking that I could use it again for some other purpose. Today I'm going to be using it during this collaboration. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button down below, along with the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content from my channel. If you like today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below as well. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. To use the 2-tier caddy as a condiment tray for our outdoor dining space. On the top shelf I have some salt and pepper shakers that were thrifted with the little green bell pepper and tomato motifs, some pot holders that I recently picked up in a gingham red and white check from Dollar Tree, some of the seasonal ketchup and mustard bottles that are available at Dollar General stores, 2 for $1. They come in a package for $1 total. I also have some little thrifted picks. They're in the shape of a red bell pepper, and just one single faux Gerbera daisy. The little vase that it's in is actually from IKEA. On the bottom tray I have some disposable flatware and disposable plates. The plates are just regular white paper plates from Dollar Tree, and the disposable flatware little individually wrapped sets are available at GFS Foods. Unfortunately, you have to buy a huge box of them, but if you're planning to have some type of event outdoors, it's a great idea. They also come with little salt and pepper packets in the little individual packages. The kitchen towel was in a recent haul from Dollar General as well.